Watch my nails go from this to this real quick. Welcome to Vlogmas. Okay, so we're going to start by cleaning off our nails with some nail polish remover. We want to get any excess polish that's on our nails from our last set off our nails. Then go ahead and clip your nails, okay? Go ahead and clip them because they're probably uneven like mine were. All right, once they're all clipped and all the polish is off, they should look like this. All right, y'all, so I got this nail kit from Amazon. I will have a link in my description box below to a kit like this. And all the nails are numbered by size. So I already know my sizes because I've been using this kit for the past at least 3 years. So this kit is long lasting. So I use the Kiss Maximum Speed Glue to get my nails on, y'all. To keep them tacked. So I make sure I file the nail down some so that it can fit my cuticle properly. And I press down and hold the nail onto my nail bed for at least 30 seconds. And I repeat this process with each and every nail. I want to file the nails down so that they can fit my cuticle, put a little bit of nail glue on, and then press down. You want to get as close to your cuticle as possible and hold the nail down for at least 30 seconds because we don't want these things popping off, okay? And hey, make sure you take your time while you do this so your nail doesn't come out crooked because my last one was a little bit crooked. But guess what? Who gonna check me, boo? No one. No one, okay? So we're just doing the same process to get our nails on. And I just wanted to show y'all how the different nails fit on my nail bed, y'all, because my nail beds are big. I ain't gonna hold you. My nail beds are big. So I use 0 through 4. Those are the only nail size I use. You can see my other ones are like super full because they just don't fit my nail. These kind of sort of fit my nails. You'll see me file down my nails later on too to really get the shape to match as close as possible here. Now that all my nails are on, I'm just going to take some time just to file them down a little bit so they can all look even and not too long. Super cute, y'all. Okay, so now I am going in and I'm filing my nail underneath to match this coffin shape as much as possible. You know, some of my nail is showing, some of my natural nail is showing. So I did find some looks on Pinterest and I sent them to a few of my lady friends and got some votes, and that is the winner. So I was like, okay, let me use this OP polish. It's called Holidays, right? I was like, oh, that's going to get the color. And y'all, okay, on camera, it might look red, but to me, it was looking like a fuchsia pink. So I was like, am I tripping? And I was like, well, I didn't already start this, so I got to keep going. Then I'm like, nah, like this is giving more fuchsia for me, right? So I was like, okay, let me take my oily, the hot red, and let me go over this because I want it to be more of a red color. And there we go, y'all. Like that's the red I was looking for. So I was like, all right, well, I ain't finna take off the color that I already did. We just gonna go over this and keep it moving. And here is how I got the red color that I got. So I did one coat and I was like, okay, cool. Let me go ahead and let this dry because I was like, oh, this is really pretty. This is definitely giving holiday nail effect. And I was like, okay, let me come in for my second coat because we want this to be nice and thick. And this is how the nails look. All right, so I was just like, well, I might as well repeat the same process on the other hand so I can make sure the red, comes out the same tone. So let me use that fuchsia pink looking color underneath and go over it with the hot red. Okay, y'all, I am ambidextrous, but I do things better with my left hand. So with my right hand, I was struggling a little bit. It was a little messy, but have no fear. We're going to come in later and clean all that mess up. So just hold fast real quick, y'all. Okay, so now that our nails are all painted, we can go ahead and clean up around our cuticles with a Q-tip. All you got to do is dip a little bit of nail polish remover on a Q-tip and you can clean those cuticles. So I have this Quick and Dry Kiss gold shimmery color. So I was like, okay, let me go in with a coat of that like on the side of my pinky. And then I'm going to replicate that photo and do it on the side of my ring finger as well. That was more of a foil gold in the picture, but I ain't had no foil gold, so we had to use what I already had. Then I was feeling creative, y'all. I was like, oh, I got this white nail polish. Let me do something with that. And then I got this little stick thingy. I was like, oh, let me add some dots, y'all. I was in my bag. I was like, oh, snap. So we about to add some dots. Y'all see me. I was scared because I was like, oh, my gosh, am I going to mess this up? Look, are these dots going to be the same? Like, y'all, I was actually really shaking. I was scared. I was like, okay, that looked like a little something, something. Let's do something to a blank nail. Y'all, so I was feeling myself. I said, ooh, we're going to experiment a little more. And I was like, oh, which way am I going with this? And I was like, ooh, let's make this zigzag. Let's get real creative. Let's make this joint zigzag. And I was like, okay, this is cute. I ain't going to do too much. I don't want to get carried away. I was like, let me go ahead and go in my second coat of glitter and keep it moving because we don't want to ruin what we got going on here. So I was like, okay, this is cute. I was like, so I'm going to do the same exact thing to the other side to the best of my ability. Because remember, I told y'all I was ambidextrous. But, you know, my left hand works better when doing my nails. So y'all see me just having a little bit of technical difficulties here. Okay, a little bit of technical difficulties here using the right hand. But, you know, at the end of the day, I try something new. And that's what life's about. Experiencing things and trying something new. Because how do you know what you can and cannot do if you don't try it out? So look at this, y'all. Look at these. I was so happy with my work here, my hard work. And of course, I'm back with my Q-tip cleaning things up because I know how my right hand be acting. It just get a little shaky sometimes. So I said, it ain't nothing to go back and clean it up. Now that I'm all done, I'm going to go in with my Orly, the clear polish, and go over my nails so we can have a nice shiny coat like this, y'all. And I was feeling myself. I was like, oh my gosh, I really did that. So I was like, ooh, we need to get a couple of different hand poses going on, add in the gold clutch, okay? I was really in my bag. I said, ooh, let's add in some fur. Let's add some fur behind my hands and see how that look, right? And I was like, okay, so just go back to the white. You was doing a lot there. Anyways, y'all, these are my holiday nails. Thank you so much for tuning into today's Vlogmas. I will see y'all tomorrow. And just ignore any imperfections you see. Thank you so much. I love y'all. Peace.